I said invest in businesses, invest in industries, invest in innovation, invest in your communities, invest in young people, and also invest in the future of your nation, which is Zimbabwe. Because when we invest back home, we create jobs. When we invest back home, we transfer knowledge. When we invest back home, we strengthen families and communities. And when we invest back home, we become active participants in building the Zimbabwe we all desire.